In this video I'm going to show you how I made this bamboo spaghetti measurer. I started with a scrap piece of bamboo. This was left over from a flooring project. The first job was to take it over to the bandsaw and remove the tongue and grooves. I set up the fence to make sure this was nice and straight. I printed off my template onto sticker paper, but you can put it straight onto regular paper and use spray glue to hold it down. I stuck this down onto the bamboo and back at the bandsaw cut close to the line but not right up against it. I used the belt sander to sand right up to the edges of the template and tidy up the saw marks. The backside had some lacquer on it, so I made sure I was wearing a mask and sanded that off. I added some centre punches to the middles of the holes to make sure the drill went in dead centre. I used a stepped drill bit to make sure I had the right sizes. Looking at it, I decided it was a bit too thick, so I trimmed off an end that was about 3mm thick. I added some masking tape around the right size of the drill bit to make sure I didn't go too deep. By the time I got up to the bigger size, I needed to swap to the hand drill. Using a drill press ensures that the holes are perfectly straight, so I just took it carefully when doing it by hand. I sanded the whole thing up to 240 grit and made sure to go with the grain. I finished with my beeswax wood finish. This is a food safe finish, so just make sure whatever finish you use is food safe. For a list of items and materials used, check out my written guide. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe.